Hello friends, today we are going to learn the uses of will and shall, would and should.
The words will, shall, should, and would are used for future tense. But the words would, should are also used for past tense. These words are helping words. They are also known as modal auxiliaries.
Will, shall, would, should never stand alone in a sentence. They combine with other verbs to form a sentence. For example, I shall plus another verb go to the market. So the sentence will be I shall go to the market. Shall is more polite than will. Therefore, we use shall I come in? Shall I take you somewhere? Nowadays, will is more used than shall. Now, let's study the use of will and shall in future tense. With I, first person singular, and with we, first person plural, shall is used in simple future tense, but with pronouns you, second person singular, and with you, second person plural, will is used. He, she, it, third person singular, and they, those, these, third person plural, will is used in simple future tense. This is a very sweet example of will and shall. First person, I, we shall go to the market. Second person, you will go to the market. Third person, he, she, it, they, those, these will go to the market. Now, let's revise what we learnt earlier. The use of will, shall in simple future tense. Will is used with he, she, you, they, it plus will plus first form of verb plus object. So, an example can be he will eat mango. She will run fast. Shall is used with I and we. So we can say I, we plus shall plus first form of verb plus object. An example can be I shall eat ice cream. We shall eat ice cream. We shall run fast. Now let's learn to express determination or duty. Which form will be used? With I and we will be used, and with you, he, she, it, these, those shall be used. I will attend science class today. You shall attend the class today. He, she, it, these, those shall attend the class today. Now let's revise what we learnt earlier. Will is used with I and we to express determination. Example, I will come first in exams. We will win the match. And shall is used with he, she, it, you, they, those, these to express determination. You shall come first in exams. He, she, it, they, those, these shall come first in exams. Yes, now let's learn what do we use to express obligation. To express obligation, shall is used in first, second and third person singular and plural forms. So shall is used with uh, I, we, you, these, those, that, it, he, she. The teacher shall submit report card on time. Another example can be I shall go to office on time. The director shall pay the employees. As we learnt earlier, to express obligation, shall is used in first, second and third person singular and plural forms. I, we shall come on Sunday. You, singular and plural both, shall come on Sunday. He, she, they, Sheetal can be any name. It, these people shall come on Sunday. Now let's learn about the difference between would and should. Would refers to future time. For example, I would like to go to America. Would also expresses a request or is used to ask questions. Would you like to come with me? Would you like to eat an ice cream? Would expresses desire, wish, plan or intention to do something. I would like to eat an ice cream. I would like to play with my friends. Nowadays, would is more frequently used than should. Should indicates obligation, duty. The postman should deliver post on time. Should means ought to do something. You should finish your homework on time. But nowadays, should is less used than would. Now it's time to learn about the contractions of will not, would not. The contraction of will is ill, uh, so it can be used as I'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, it'll, they'll, you'll. And the contraction of will not is won't, so it can be used as I won't, he won't, she won't, we won't, it won't, they won't, you won't. The contraction of would is would, so it can be used as I'd, he'd, she'd, we'd, it, they'd, you'd. Contraction of would not is won't, I won't, he won't, she won't, we won't, it won't, they won't, you won't. Please notice here the difference in pronunciation between won't and won't. Will not, won't. Would not, won't. The contraction of shall is ill, same as will, I'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, it'll, they'll, you'll. Contraction of shall not is shan't, I shan't, he shan't, she shan't, we shan't, it shan't, they shan't, you shan't. Contraction of should is same as would, I'd, he'd, she'd, we'd, it'd, they'd, you'd. And contraction of should not is shouldn't, I shouldn't, he shouldn't, she shouldn't, we shouldn't, it shouldn't, they shouldn't, you shouldn't go to the market today. So friends, if you liked my video, then please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thanks.